Today we are going to take a tour of a Vista Penthouse suite here on the Star Princess. This is room 17636. It is an aft corner view, and we're actually right next door to Love by Britto. So the Love by Britto restaurant is right here next door. So it'll be interesting to see if we hear any restaurant noise as we are in this cabin. Hi everyone, I'm Laura, and welcome to Living on Cruise Control, where just 1 year ago, I left the corporate grind to pursue my dream of living full-time on cruise ships. So as you walk in, you're going to see on the left-hand side, there is a full-length mirror, and look at the beautiful note that was left here. It's so cute. So that was super nice. There's some towels and blankets that you can use out on the deck. I'm going to start with just kind of like a pan of the entire room, and then I'll show you everything in detail. So right here on the right is the beginning of the bathroom, and I'll take you through the bathroom in just a minute, but it goes all the way through. You've got some closet space here on the right, some shelving. Looks like they brought us chocolate covered strawberries, some wine. Here's another coffee maker that makes espresso and coffee. So you've got your couch here on the left-hand side, and then there's a large TV and a space here to the right. So you have kind of two walkways between this living room space to go ahead and come into the bedroom. So in the bedroom, it's so nice. You get a sanctuary bag that comes with sanctuary rooms and suites, a really nice bag. And look, we already have two towel animals, my favorites. They're so cute. So nice big bed, and then you have a second TV here on this side. And then over here, some more closets. You're gonna see a doorway here on the right that will also take you to this side of the bathroom, which we'll go through in a minute. And then here, you've got a nice vanity table with a leather chair, very similar to the other rooms on the Star Princess, and a drawer to be able to put things in. So let's go check out the patio. This is, again, the corner aft wraparound. So I'll show you what's included. Right now we are parked in Fort Lauderdale. So when you come outside, here on the left-hand side, you have just this beautiful couch. Honestly, you can fit easily 3 people on this couch. Then it has a footrest, all cushioned. It's a nice thick cushion. And a nice table there. And then the balcony comes all the way around here. So if you look down, you can see, so our view is the back deck. And you can see that infinity pool, and it's really the view by Love by Britto. So this is the aft of the ship, and then you can see it's all nice in glass all the way around our balcony here, and it goes all the way back this way. So we have a kind of a balcony aft view, and then as you're kind of walking through this space, plenty of room. You have a table and 2 chairs to sit out at. So if you want to have breakfast or coffee or play some board games, you can do that and just have a beautiful view as well. And it's covered. So if you look above here, this is a good spot for Alaska. It's nice and high. So it's completely covered all the way up to this railing. But the bottom of it's glass. So it's not impeding any views, but it does give you some protection from the elements. And what's so nice is there's a sliding glass door on this side to take you into the bedroom space. And there's a sliding glass door on this side, which will bring you into the living room space. So 2 ways to get in and out. So now let's take a look at the living room a little closer. You have this little side chair, a little table right there with a nice lamp on it. It's a 3-seater couch, but I'm definitely going to be putting a duvet blanket on it. Some really beautiful art. You get this nice gray footstool. Sometimes we put like trays on there for like when we get coffees or any like room service. It's nice just to set the tray on there, or it can be a footrest that you can put right up against this couch. So here in this section, you've got some decorations. They're not real plants, but they look cute. Coffee, and then you've got all these drawers. So the top drawer is going to be your coffee and tea and some spoons. You want to keep those spoons stocked. And then it's just some extra drawers, which is really nice. And then here you've got another drawer. And then in this cabinet, you're going to find our little mini fridge. So the mini fridge, because I'm elite, they do stock it with some beers, some sodas, some wine in a can, and now mixed drinks instead of those little cocktails. And I don't know why this is happening, but they're actually bringing 2 sets of this. We also got some chocolate covered strawberries from Alwyn, our casino executive host. There's a really nice phone here. And then it looks like they're giving us 2 bottles of wine. This bottle of wine and then this bottle of wine. Unfortunately, I don't drink alcohol, but I'm sure we can find someone that would enjoy this wine. Lots of extra waters, so that's always really nice. And then you can have this ice bucket, some wine glasses, and they'll keep the ice full for you. Sometimes I have them take this little section just to give some more counter space, but it's nice to have that in another good storage in these 2 bottom shelves right there. So let's take a look. If we head this way, let's look at the closets. So they already moved my hanging clothes. Some of my clothes are already hung, but you've got this right side that's nice and long to hang like your dresses. A couple shelves down there. It looks like they brought some slippers, so those are nice for the deck. Some bags if you want to send out your laundry, and then 2 more shelves down here. So really a lot of nice hanging space, plenty. Here is again the air conditioning unit. Is the same for all rooms that I've seen. You can turn it on or off, hot or cold, which is really great. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So you've got 1 door here right by the front. Now this is like your water closet. So it's just a toilet. Everything's so nice and marbled. There is a hook here on the door, so if you want to put anything on that hook, but you've got your toilet here, and then to the left you're going to find a sink, a single sink. There's a little trash can down there, and then a nice lighted mirror. So you've got your single sink that's in that section. Now you've got another door here, so you can shut both of these doors and just use the bathroom. If I come in this way, you'll see there's a beautiful bathtub. I'm so excited. So I have not been in a room yet on the Star that had a bathtub, but I did bring a bunch of Epsom salts and bath accessories. So definitely going to take full advantage of that bath. Extra towels, pretty little purple plant, some extra hand towels, and then you've got a nice long sink right here. You've got some storage up there on the right. So it's a good size sink. Definitely a nice size, again, lighted mirror so people can get ready in here. And then here's the shower. So the shower actually wraps around. It's beautiful. So lots of space inside this shower. So it's glass all the way around this side. You've got your shower head right there and a handheld nozzle right there. The same body wash, conditioner, and shampoo that I've seen in every room here on the Star. A shelf to store some of your own personal things. Definitely bring your own conditioner. I don't love this conditioner. The body wash is fine, but shampoo and conditioner, I definitely recommend bringing your own. But it's beautiful. Like all the walls are all marble. The flooring is marble. It's just really clean and bright and beautiful. Super nice. Now, as we're coming through this door, so if I back you up a little bit, so it's like a wraparound bathroom. So it starts in the living room area, has multiple doors, and then you come back here into the bedroom area. There's another closet. So we have this side closet. Oh, looks like they hung up some more of my clothes. I think I'm gonna need to downsize a little bit before I move over to the Sun Princess and head to Europe. Some life jackets, a safe. They give you this kind of little box to put some jewelry in that I don't really use. Another shelf, and then you've got 3 more of these really nice deep, they're really big drawers. You can fit a lot into these drawers. So that's really wonderful. The side tables are a good size. There's no lamps on them, so there's plenty of space. You've got a nice drawer on both sides. Again, you've got this little pull-out lamp, nightlight that you can use. These little side lamps are kind of nice when you're resting. The bed is set up now as a single bed, but we're going to split these into 2 beds. So if you come this way, you can kind of get a good view. So nice to be able to just lay right here, and then you're really waking up to this view. Literally waking up to an ocean view every day. It's pretty phenomenal. What's nice and what I wanted to share with you is there's curtains in this wall here. So there's curtains on both sides. So if you have more than 2 guests, so 4 people, I think 3 to 4 people can stay in this room, there's these curtains that are kind of tucked back in. So you can literally separate the bedroom from the living room area. A really nice separation. And then you've got, of course, this door that you can just close to the bathroom. So it really makes it feel like completely separate spaces. So if somebody, you know, wants to just relax, take a nap, sleep in, you know, they can be in this space. And then someone else can be out here in the living room making coffee, because coffee's life. And a good way to start the day, or sitting out here watching TV, and even getting in and out of the balcony area can be done completely separately. While these curtains are shut, you can come hang out here and enjoy the morning if someone's a morning person and someone is not. So super excited to be in this room. Look how cool Fort Lauderdale is. It's this waterway with all these little boats, and big boats, little boats, yachts. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be an awesome week. Last week on the Star Princess. I'll pin a comment if I notice any noise because of the proximity being right next door to Love by Britto. If I hear any noise at all, I will pin it. So if you don't see any updates, then you'll know that it was not an issue at all. Super excited to enjoy this last week. What a way to finish up 4 months on the Star Princess. Hope you all have an incredible day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you on a cruise one day. Thanks.